Good evening. Today let's find out the radius of convergence. Given a sequence, say power series, sigma 3 to the power n by n into 4 to the power n of x to the power n is the given power series. So find the radius of convergence as well as interval of convergence for this one. So summation n runs from 0 to infinity an bar x an x to the power n. Let's compare it with this one. So from this, what do you get our an? Our an is 3 to the power n divided by n into 4 to the power n of x to, just let me write only an. So this is my an. So how do I find out the radius of convergence? The radius of convergence R is defined as convergence. R is defined as beta is equal to 1 by R, which is equal to limit n tends to infinity modulus of an plus 1 by an. This is my radius of convergence I'll get from here. So let me figure out what is, we know what is an. So let us figure out what is an plus 1. So what would an plus 1? That becomes 3 to the power n plus 1 by 4 to the power n plus 1 into n plus 1. So let us find out here what is limit n tends to infinity. Beta is equal to 1 by R is equal to limit n tends to infinity mod an plus 1 by an we want. So this is limit n tends to infinity modulus of 3 to the power n plus 1 divided by 4 to the power n plus 1 into n plus 1 divided by an. Let's take that an to the numerator. So the terms get reversed. Reciprocal, let us write. So reciprocal of this 4 power n divided by 3 power n. So we can cancel this 3 power n and 3 power n from here. 3 remains. 4 power n and 4 power n here 4 remains. So what is remaining? So this is equal to limit as n tends to infinity. In the numerator 3n remains. In the denominator 4 into n plus 1 remains. So what is this? Limit n tends to infinity 3n divided by, let's take n common here. So that becomes 1 plus 1 by n into 4. So this n and this n gets cancelled. Now, as n tends to infinity, our 1 by n tends to 0. So what do we get? Our beta is equal to 1 by R is equal to, now we have limit n tends to infinity 3 by 4 into 1 plus 1 by n. So that is which implies your beta is equal to 1 by R is equal to, now let us run the limit as n tends to infinity. So that gives us 3 by 4. 1 by R is 3 by 4, which implies our R is 4 by 3. So radius of convergence is 4 by 3. And we need to find out the interval of convergence also. So the interval of convergence, what is that? Is minus R. So that is equal to minus 4 by 3, comma 4 by 3 becomes the interval of convergence. So that's it.